Okay, today I'm doing Ghost Hunters from Codemasters for ZX Spectrum. As you can see, you can press C to change colour. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay. No, we don't want Kempson. O P. Damn it, it won't let me do that. Probably because it's default. No, I don't want them. Ah! I need to do that again. No, I don't want Kempson. So, music's quite good on the beeper. 48k music. Let's start the game. So we are presented with some speech. So I can control this map and I can also control this target as well. So I'll walk around the mansion and I can use this to shoot things. The way you control the target is you hold down the fire button and move the joystick, but if you're not holding down the fire button then the man moves instead. So you control both the target and the man. If you've got two players connected, the second player can use his joystick or her joystick to control the target. But in the single player game you have to do it both of them. Ouch! So we keep going in the mansion. Scary mansion. A lot of ghosts around here. Have some of that. I don't think you can shoot him. You found a crystal ball. I think you can shoot him. Can you shoot the bat? I can't remember. No. Can you shoot the ghost? Yeah, you can shoot some of the ghosts, but not all of them. At the bottom of the screen you see you've got a terror meter. And you've got Masho energy on the left. And some of these... I'm waiting for the lift to come down right now. You coming back up again, are you? So, go up here. I think I can jump up here. Yeah, here we go. In the dining room, by the looks of it. There's a skull man there. Have some of that. He keeps popping up everywhere he does. You can piss off. So yeah. Watch out for the skull. Scary skull. I can't get up there, can I? I can't seem to get up there. So let's go back this way. Ouch! That took my terror meter right up. See what's down here. So yeah, we can go up this lift here. Oh, it's a vampire. You found a quill. What's a quill when it's at home? Let's go down the lift. Oh, he's turned into a bat. Oh dear. You sinking into the lift. I'll put my name in. It won't fit. Let's see how it looks in red then, shall we? Ghost Hunters. So you found a blood goblet. Have some of that. We'll try going the other way this time. I think it looks better in red because it makes it look a bit more spooky. Ouch. Can I go down the lift? No, I can't. I can't shoot the grandfather clock, can I? I can't get past that way. Looks like I have to come back the other way. Oh dear. That wasn't good. Graphics are very nice for the age of the game, very detailed. This works on a 48k Spectrum made in 1982, so it's impressive for impressive in that respects. Yeah, you will need 48k of RAM on your Spectrum for this to load. 16k Spectrums won't cut it. If it does, I'll be very surprised. Don't quote me on that because I don't know that for sure, but I wouldn't imagine this would run on a 16k Spectrum anyway. Have some of that, you blooming hand. Let's go back up here again, shall we? It's raining indoors. Oh, you ouch, the rain got me. Have some of this. Yeah, you gotta watch out for this vampire right here, because he does scare you to death, and you're telling me to... Ah! Skull. Ah! I can't get up there, I don't know how you get up there, so... I'm not quite sure where I've got to go. You can't go past there, so if we come back down, let's go back over here. Or you can climb up this one. Oh yeah, this is where we died the first time then. Have some of that. Why are you jumping into the wall? You found a quill. A quill, what a word. A quill, you found a quill. I've told you already, have some of that. Let's go down here, because there's this potion here. Ghost Hunters! So we keep going. Impressive speech for the odd 48k. It's raining indoors again. Found a necklace. Fair enough. I can't climb up there. Try and run past the rain. Oh, the rain got me. Ah, I'm gonna die. Have some of that. If I fall down here and get that. Found a crystal ball. Okay. Have some of that, you scary hand. Oh, sink into the ground. Spooky. It's got eerie atmosphere to the game. Anyway, I'm going to give Ghost Hunters an 8 out of 10. Goodbye.